Namaste. My name is Russell Paul, and I want to talk to you about the yoga of sound. Yoga has gained extraordinary credibility in the last 20 years or so, particularly here in the West, especially as it has found great validation from the medical field. Yoga, we know, has many health benefits. However, at the same time, we also realize that yoga is a spiritual discipline. Music, simultaneously, perhaps not as strongly or overtly as yoga, has also been gaining tremendous credibility in the medical field. We are realizing that music too has tremendous healing benefits. Now, what is fascinating is that there is a tradition in India that brings together both these components, that of music or sound and that of yoga. It literally is called sound yoga, or the yoga of sound. Imagine if we can bring our knowledge of medicine and healing today together with this ancient understanding of both sound and yoga. What tremendous possibilities does that open up for us? This is the Yoga of Sound platform that I wish to share with you.